Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Here's the Mustang. Current day, yeah, Mustang's just chilling. I don't know. But we did a ride along with the IMS 850. I'm going to kind of keep this short, so skip this if you want. But we did a ride along with IMS 850. We also did another ride along with a pro-charged Mustang out there. So I'm going to do those two videos first before I covered the Mustang at Powercruise. I don't know what will happen, but we did like 100-some runs, 100 pulls in the Mustang at Powercruise in 3 days. Mustang held up great. It's just the front tires that deflated. But anyways, this one would just be a ride along with the IMS 850. We've seen the IMS 850 on the channel before. It rips, it scoots, it's pretty quick. But my first time in an RS3 or Audi ever, and I gotta say, I think I might be converting, man. So enjoy the video. Peace out. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna do a ride along with an IMS 850 here. You guys seen this one on the channel? None of you guys believed me that it was an IMS 850, but here we are with the ride along with IMS 850. Let's check it out. So this is what an IMS 850 looks like. Really nothing to see. This is a custom intake, obviously, 5-inch intake into I think a 4.5 inlet. So fully built pistons, rods, clutch packs, you guys name it, it's got it. You can't make this kind of power on a stock block, stock clutches, you guys. So I'm hopefully going to go for a good rip and see what this can do. Alrighty, guys, map 4, all the beans in IMS 850. Yo, I got wrapped handles. 60, yeah. Mustang was taking these at 40. Boogie's pretty good. Like, coming hot. Oh, wow. Maybe give him the hit. Make it look interesting. we could also take these corners at 90 some miles an hour.
The brakes got hot on one session. I had to do it at like 112.
Oh my gosh. Well, it's good to know you can do that.
The tires will start to bark when they hit their edge, and I was there.
Mm.
All right, great. So don't take that turn more.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's way more like smoother, more comfortable on the strip than my car for sure. My car is scary.
There's a couple.
Take that thing. Alrighty guys, I gotta say this RS3 handles really well. We don't need big fat meaty tires like the Mustang, and this thing hooks corners, it does great. It's pretty quick. I don't know, I might have to reconsider my thoughts on these cars, honestly. I might want to get one, and this is plenty of fun for an IMS 850. This is the version 1 kit, so could be some more to be had on version 2.